Hello, everyone. My name is Shannon Ballman Theis, the payroll queen, and today we are going to be taking a look at instructions for Form 941 and the different little intricacies that are involved with this form. Payroll tax credit for certain tax-exempt organizations affected by qualified disasters. Section 303D of the Taxpayer Certainty and Disaster Relief Act of 2020 allows for a payroll tax credit for certain tax-exempt organizations affected by certain qualified disasters not related to COVID-19. This credit is claimed on Form 5884D, not 941. Form 588D is filed after the 941 for the quarter for which the credit is being claimed has been filed. For more information about this, go to irs.gov Form 588D. Certification Program for Professional Employer Organizations, or PEOs. The Stephen Beck Jr. Achieving a Better Life Experience, or ABLE Act of 2014 required the IRS to establish a voluntary certification program for PEOs. A PEO handles various payroll administration and tax reporting responsibility for their business clients and are typically paid a fee based on payroll cost. To become and remain certified under the certification program, certified professional employer organizations, or CPEOs, must meet various requirements described in Section 3511 and 7705 and related published guidance. Certification as a CPEO may affect the employment tax liabilities of both the CPEO and its customers. A CPEO is generally treated for employment tax purposes as the employer for any individual who performs services for the customer of the CPEO and is covered by a contract described in Section 7705E2 between the CPEO and the customer, or the CPEO contract. But only the wages and other compensation paid to the individual by the CPEO. To become a CPEO, the organization must apply through the IRS online registration system. And for more information on how to become a CPEO, you go to irs.gov CPEO. CPEOs must generally file Form 941 and Schedule R, which the Schedule R just basically breaks down the 941 information based off of their client's EIN. Allocation schedule for aggregate Form 941 filers electronically. For more information about CPO's requirement to file electronically, see IRS Rev Proc 2023-18, 2023-13, and IRB 605, which is available on the irs.gov website. And 15.